My dear fellow dermatologists and friends, I'm Dr. Malvika Kohli and I practice dermatology and aesthetics in Mumbai. As the COVID-19 has unfurled its fury on all of us, it's time for us to now reinvent ourselves as to how we're going to manage our consultations and procedures in our clinical practices once we return. I would love to learn and share from all of you on this issue of reinventing ourselves once we go back to our practices. I would like to thank Glenmark for this educational initiative, and I would also like to thank DocMode for their technical support. So see you all this Sunday on the 19th of April at 11:30 a.m. Thank you.